So we're headed out to sit. We've got a cell cam on this property, and we've been having a bunch of turkeys come by. Morning, evening. They're not roosting real far. It's about 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna try and slip in there and kind of catch them going back to bed, I think. Private property, small piece, same piece that Frank missed the buck on. So you check that video out right here, and we'll see how it goes. Haven't really hunted late in the day like this before, so we'll see how it goes, but things are looking up. It's a little windy, so I don't know how well the calls are going to be. Hopefully they'll see the decoys and they're in the area, and just kind of go from there. So, stick around.
Come in here and we spooked them off, you know. Yeah. And you guys were kind of discouraged, weren't you?
Well, I was like,
You guys are all bummed out.
we were dilly-dicking around back at the garage.
But what did I tell you then?
Right.
I just said, let's get the decoys in the ground, let's get set up, you know, and we'll get them back. And
They didn't have
what did
nowhere
it
to
take,
go.
20 minutes?
You can't really go out that way, can they?
long
Not
enough
that far.
long enough time for me to eat my sandwich.
That's
Well, I looked over my shoulder, seen him before I heard him. I told Frank at 40 yards, a whole bunch of birds coming. That's all I said.
I heard. So what happened was I heard it again over here. I put my face mask on, right? And
The other hand came over here.
then
And Jake.
I broke my my mount off when I got out of the tent. But I got drawn back, and I just put this nose button on. Well, earlier today I was pulling my mask down, so I went to draw back and it was on my mask, and I was like, I was drawn back for quite a while because they were right in between my.
I was wondering, man. You know, like when they come in,
Well, I seen the one get right.
He was instant. He was right there.
right
I almost
here.
shot him. And then that other one on the right, he ended up coming back over. And so then I moved over and I put it right on his freaking, right here. And I don't know if it just went a little lower. I mean,
well, he was strutting though, wasn't he?
yeah, he was,
So I mean, you know, that's why he hit him 2 places on his neck.
yeah. It stood him right up. He like knocked him.
He goes like that, you know, when he ran.
I believe they all stopped
Well,
right
I-
here.
Yeah, when his head didn't fly off, I was like, because he had a body shot on these and it don't go through him. You know, I mean, you see what happened. It just took off his feather.